Hi, so we're going to make chocolate crinkles. For me, it's the first time to do this. We got this awesome recipe from a Filipino guy on the internet. The link will be below. And we are using real Belgian chocolate. So we have our brown sugar, eggs, oil, cacao powder. It's a bit bitter. If you don't have the cacao powder, you can use the Nesquik instant powder for chocolate milk. The chocolate, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and that's about it. So how do we start? We will put our sugar, the brown sugar, into the bowl. I put a little bit of vanilla sugar just to add that extra little vanilla flavor. You know, if you don't like it, don't put vanilla flavoring. And we will add our eggs, the oil, our cacao powder, the chocolate melted. If you don't know how to melt it, just use a microwave. It's the fastest and safest way to do it, and also the easiest. Also, you have to mix it into a bowl on top of another bowl with water, and you can get water into your chocolate. And don't bother, just with a spatula I get it out, and ta-da, it's all there. So we can start to mix it. If you don't have a whisk, you can use the mixer, the electrical mixer. It goes as easy as this. Now we'll add the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and baking soda, a pinch of salt. There, we'll just mix that again. So, yes, there. I started to use the spatula for the last stirs, so I could really get onto the bottom of this, so there's no more flour sticking around in the pot or in the dough. Now we have a really nice sticky mass, and from this thingy we will start to form our crinkles. So you make a ball, you drop it into the confectionery, the normal sugar, a little bit of the confectionery sugar to go around, and we have our first one. I already have a second one, and like this we will fill up the entire tray. And while we do that, the oven is preheating at 200 degrees, and then we will bake them for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So you can see I'm quite messy, but we managed to fill up this tray. If you don't have those cooking mats, you can also use a regular baking tray and some baking paper to cover it. So we will pop those in the oven then around 15 minutes, let's say 12 to 15, we will have to check. And once they're almost finished, we'll take them out so they can cool down a little. That we'll see in a second. Baking, 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 baking. Still a bit soft, they're still boiling hot, so that's why we put it on a little cooling table, that the air can go underneath. It will cool quite fast, and then we can try them and eat them. Let's try one. They've been cooling down for approximately 5 minutes, so still a bit soft, but look at that, so soggy inside. I can't wait to taste this. Really great. Good job. For first try, Sorry, I'm eating with my the chocolate.